Hi friends, we are at East Side Gallery in the Berlin. This is the one of the most touristic spot. The people whoever visit the Berlin, they don't want to miss to visit this place. Actually, this is the longest wall. The wall length would be around 1300 meters. I think more than 1300 meters. The entire wall was filled with the paintings, mostly with the graffitis. 118 artists from the 21 different countries were painted on this wall. Each and every painting tells you something in a innovative way, something to rethink, something about the peace, something about the technology, but everything is a message. And if you see, as I mentioned, that one lot of people visit this place, they don't want to miss it. And beside this wall itself we have a river, and mostly people go in the evening side to see the sunset. The place will be very beautiful, and it's kind of a happening place in Berlin. I'll leave the location details in the description, you can check it. As I mentioned, this is more than 1300 meters long distance wall. So I will be presenting entire paintings in a different parts. Let's enjoy this part, and upcoming parts will be publishing soon. Please do like this video and support me to make these kind of more videos, and please share this video with your friends and family members who really want to enjoy this kind of travel things. And thanks for watching. Thanks a lot. Keep supporting me. See you in the upcoming videos.